What's happening, everybody? Got another reset for you. Today we're going to do a Maxwest Nitro N62. Just a heads up, guys, we're throwing up a bunch more resets and teardowns, so if there's anything particular you want to see, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you first before we get the other stuff that we have lined up. So just let us know. If you find this helpful, if you give us a like, subscribe, I'd appreciate all that. But let's get right into this. Lastly, when you do a hard reset, just guys remember you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. So bear that in mind when you're doing this. So we have this Nitro N62, and you have your volume buttons up here and your power button right there. This phone's already off, so to make life a little bit faster. And then what we want to do is we want to hold volume up, which is right here, and power button at the same time. So I'll hold volume up, hit power. And it might not do anything for a second, but just keep holding both of them. And then it'll get you this reset menu. Your volume up is to navigate and volume down is to select. So we want to navigate to recovery mode. We hit volume down to select. Let that load up. It's going to take a minute. It should go to a no command screen, which there it is. And then to get out of this to the actual reset, what you want to do is hit power and volume up at the same time. I usually just hold power and then tap volume up, just like go right away, because otherwise it will think you're saying reboot system now, and it'll just reboot the phone again, and you have to start over. So use your volume buttons to navigate, your power buttons to select. So we want to navigate down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm it again, and then it's currently wiping. Once it's done, you can hit reboot system now, so you hit the power again, and it'll just restart, and it'll get you that welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to normal. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you could, like I said, give us a like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate all that, and otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.